Have you been waking up with stiff knees or aching joints? Does the swelling in your legs make it hard to walk, stand, or even sleep peacefully at night? If you are experiencing these problems, you are not alone. Many people as they grow older face joint pain and leg swelling. These problems can affect your daily life, your mood, and your independence. But the good news is, there are ways to help your body feel better naturally. One of the best ways to support your joints and reduce swelling is by eating the right foods. Certain foods are rich in collagen and other nutrients that help rebuild and strengthen your joints. Collagen is a protein that acts like glue in your body. It holds your skin, muscles, bones, and joints together. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, which can cause joint pain and swelling. Today, we will talk about 8 powerful collagen-rich foods that you should start eating to help your legs and joints feel stronger and healthier. These foods are easy to find, simple to prepare, and gentle on your stomach. They are backed by science and have helped many people improve their joint health naturally. Let's begin. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth has been used for centuries as a natural healing food. It is made by simmering animal bones, like chicken or beef bones, in water for many hours. This slow cooking process releases collagen, gelatin, and many important minerals. Bone broth contains amino acids like proline and glycine, which your body uses to build collagen in joints and cartilage. Drinking bone broth regularly can reduce inflammation and pain in your joints. It also supports gut health, which is important for reducing swelling in the body. You can make bone broth at home or buy high-quality bone broth from stores. When choosing store-bought options, look for low-sodium varieties without preservatives or artificial flavors. Try drinking a warm cup of bone broth in the evening or as a base for soups and stews. It is soothing, easy to digest, and provides gentle nourishment to your joints. 2. Sardines. Small fish like sardines are excellent sources of collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Omega-3s are healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and swelling in joints. Vitamin D supports bone health and improves your body's ability to absorb calcium. Sardines also contain calcium because their bones are soft and edible. Eating sardines gives you the benefit of calcium, collagen, and healthy fats all in one. They are easy to prepare. Simply add them to salads, spread them on toast, or eat them straight from the can. Try to include sardines in your meals 2 or 3 times a week. They are not only good for your joints, but also support heart health and brain function. 3. Chicken skin. Though often overlooked, chicken skin is a natural source of collagen. When cooked properly, such as grilled or boiled, chicken skin provides collagen without the unhealthy fats that come from frying. Include small portions of cooked chicken skin a few times a week as part of a balanced diet. Avoid processed or fried chicken skin, as these can increase inflammation and harm joint health. Remember, moderation is key. Chicken skin is delicious and beneficial, but should be consumed with care. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a wonderful source of proline, an amino acid that is important for collagen production. The yolk contains healthy fats and vitamins that help reduce joint stiffness and promote healing. Including 1 or 2 eggs per day in your diet, boiled or poached, can support your joint repair process. Make sure to eat the yolk too, as it contains the most nutrients. Eggs are easy to cook, affordable, and provide high-quality protein to support overall health. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis and helps reduce inflammation. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen effectively. Drinking a glass of lemon water in the morning or eating slices of orange throughout the day will boost your vitamin C levels. Besides joint health, vitamin C improves skin health, boosts immunity, and increases energy. Try to include fresh citrus fruits daily for their refreshing taste and health benefits. 6. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals. These nutrients protect your joints from damage and support collagen production. Magnesium, found in leafy greens, helps muscles relax and reduces leg cramps. Antioxidants fight harmful free radicals that increase joint pain and swelling. Adding a handful of greens to your meals every day is an easy and tasty way to protect your joints and improve your overall well-being. 7. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are delicious fruits filled with antioxidants and vitamin C. These compounds help protect your joints from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are common causes of joint pain. Berries also support the immune system and improve circulation, which can help reduce swelling in your legs. Enjoy a small bowl of mixed berries as a snack or add them to yogurt or oatmeal for a tasty and healthy treat. Gelatin. Gelatin is derived from collagen and offers excellent support for joint health. Unlike collagen supplements, gelatin can be added easily to your diet by mixing unflavored gelatin powder into smoothies, soups, or even warm drinks. Choose high-quality, organic, or grass-fed gelatin for the best results. Some people report feeling less joint pain after a few weeks of including gelatin in their diets. Gelatin is gentle on the stomach and provides a natural way to boost your body's collagen levels. It supports the repair of tissues in your joints and helps maintain flexibility. Including gelatin regularly in your diet can be a simple but powerful step toward reducing joint discomfort and swelling. However, it is important to remember that these collagen-rich foods are just one part of a bigger picture when it comes to joint health. Eating nutritious foods alone will not solve all issues, but combined with other healthy habits, they can make a real difference. For example, staying physically active is essential. Gentle movement helps keep your joints flexible and muscles strong, which can reduce stiffness and pain. Activities such as walking, stretching, or light yoga can be very beneficial, especially when done regularly. Maintaining a healthy weight is another important factor. Extra weight puts more pressure on your joints, especially your knees and hips, which can increase swelling and discomfort. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day also plays a key role. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your joints lubricated, which supports smooth movement. If you ever notice that swelling or pain in your joints is getting worse, or if you see redness and feel warmth around the affected area, don't ignore these signs. Sometimes, these symptoms can indicate an infection or a more serious medical condition. Sudden sharp pain, severe swelling, or difficulty moving a joint should prompt a visit to your healthcare provider without delay. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent complications and improve outcomes. Remember, the human body is remarkable in its ability to heal and regenerate, even as we grow older. By giving your body the right nutrients, like collagen from these foods, and combining that with good lifestyle habits, you can support your joints to stay healthier and more comfortable. You can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and improve your quality of life. Taking care of your joints means you can enjoy daily activities with less discomfort and more freedom. Whether it's walking in the park, playing with grandchildren, or simply moving around your home with ease, healthier joints help you live a fuller life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support encourages us to bring more useful tips and advice for your health and well-being. Feel free to leave a comment below to share which collagen-rich food you are excited to try first, or if you have questions we can help answer. Aging may bring challenges, but it also brings wisdom and strength. Every small positive change you make today is a step toward a stronger, healthier tomorrow. Remember, you have the power to care for your body and live comfortably in your own skin. Take it one day at a time and be patient with yourself. Thank you for watching. We wish you good health and happiness. Take care of yourself and keep moving forward.